How to share GitHub repository link with others. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to github.com. Here, you want to sign into your account and open up the repository that you want to share. As you can see, this repository is private. So if you want to share this, you're going to have to follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to open up a new tab and search for Gitfront. Then click on this link, that is gitfront.io. Here you will first have to sign into your account. If you do not have an account, simply click on the option of sign up and then you will have to enter your username. Once you have entered the username, click on the option of sign up. Here it says unverified account. Click on the option of verify and enter your email in order to verify your account. If you do not verify your account, it is going to be expired in 7 days. Here you want to click on the option of add repository. On this box, you will have to enter the repository URL. For that, head over to GitHub. Then from here, copy this URL. Once you have copied it, head over to Gitfront and then paste the URL over here. Now click on the add option. Once you click on it, it's going to say that unable to access the repository, verify that the URL is correct. If you tried importing a private repository, consider switching to an SSH URL. Now you want to click on the option of convert to SSH. Now it's going to say that there is no access to the repository. If the repository URL is correct, grant access using a deploy key. Now you will have to copy the deploy key shown below and paste it on the platform hosting the repository. Go ahead and click on the copy option. Then you want to head over to GitHub. Here, click on the option of settings. From here, scroll down and click on the deploy keys option in the security tab. Here, you want to click on the option of add deploy key. Now on this box, paste the key that you have copied. After that, you want to enter a title. Now, if you want to allow write access, then you want to check the box below. Now, click on the option of add key. Once you do that, head back over to Gitfront and then you want to click on the option of build. Now, it will take some time and now you can click on the option of view. Now on this page, you want to click on the URL that you can see above, copy it and then you can now paste it on any of the private browser and you will be able to open that repository. And this is how you can share GitHub repository link with others. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.